Hi, welcome to class. So we're drafting our pattern now. The pattern that we're considering is Ellen Armstrong pattern. Ellen Armstrong pattern. I remember I told us that we have different types of patterns. We have Natalie Gray, we have Ellen Armstrong, different types of patterns. But the patterns we'll be considering today is the Ellen Armstrong pattern. So Ellen Armstrong believes that our front and are not the same. So it will be wrong to divide your round circumference by 4. Ellen Armstrong believes that the larger portion of your circumference should be given to the fuller part, while the smaller portion of your measurement should be given to the smaller part. For instance, our bust. We have the fuller part of our bust on the front. We have the fuller part of our bust on the front. Ellen Armstrong believes that the portion you are giving to your front bust should be different from the portion you are giving to your back bust. The same thing for our hips. We have the fuller portion at the back. So it will be wrong for us to just divide by 4. But let's just go through. The first thing to do when you are drafting a pattern is to get your top line. 2 inches. Your top line of 2 inches. 2 inches for your top line. And then get a straight line. Straight line. After that, come down by your bust point. The measurement I'm working with the bust point is 9. Go all the way to the back. 9. Before I forget, let me mention that this side of your front, the right side of your paper is your front, the label section, while the left side of your paper is your back, the label is your back. So, don't forget that the right side of your paper is your front, and the left side of the paper is your back. So, from your top line, you measure 9 inches, which is your bust point. 9 inches, which is your bust point. You measure it all the way to the back. You connect it with a straight line. Connect it with a straight line. Connect it with a straight line. And after that, you measure your full front length. Full front length, which is your half length, so to say. So from your top line, measure your full front length. And the measurement I'm working with full front length is 15 and a half. Measure your 15 and a half. Measure your 15 and a half all the way to the back. 15 and a half. And you connect it to the wall. Connect it with a straight line. Connect it to straight. Then from this measurement, you take a standard measurement of 9 inches for your hip line. Standard measurement of 9 inches for your hip line. Standard measurement of 9 inches from your waist. That will be your hip line measurement. Hip line measurement. Hip line measurement. So this is your hip line, this is your waist, this is your bust point. This is your top line. Let me explain again. From the beginning of your paper, you take a measurement of 2 inches for your top line, then your bust point measurement, then your waist measurement, your full front length, and 9 inches from your waist measurement, 9 inches for your hip line. Do you understand? Okay, so now these are the lines that cut across with front and back. Now we'll be doing the lines that are for front and the lines that are for back. Separate lines now. These 3 lines are the lines that cut across front and back. But now we'll be considering the lines that are for front and the lines that are for back. You understand? So the lines that cut across the front and the back, we have done that. So now let's do for the front again. So now let's get our front shoulder line. To get our front shoulder line, we do 1 for 8. 1 for 8. From your top line, you go down by 1 for 8. you go down by 1 4. From your top line, you go down by 1 4, and then you connect with a straight line. This is your shoulder line. Then from your bust point, you come up by the difference between your full front length and your nape to waist. Difference between your full front length and your nape to waist. 2 inches. 2 inches for you, this one is for you. But 2 inches close. This is our front bust line. This is our front bust line. Then from this front bust line, we come up by 2 inches for our across chest line. 2 inches for our across chest line. Connect it straight here. So across chest line. Do you understand? From here you come down by 148. That's 1.5 for your shoulder line. From your bust point, you come up by the difference between your full front line and your nape to waist for your front bust line. Then from there you come up by 2 inches for your across chest line. Do you understand? So now let's go to the back. For the back, you come up from your bust, from your waist. From your waist, you come up by your nape line, nape measurement, nape to waist measurement. My nape to waist measurement I'm working with is 14.5. So from here, I'm going to come up by 14. Again, I'm going to come down from this my nape line. This is my nape line. So I'm going to come down from this my nape line by 1 to 8 for my back shoulder line. 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 This is my back shoulder line. Then from this back shoulder line to this bust point, I'm going to get the midpoint of that. The midpoint. The midpoint. The midpoint is the midpoint. That's 318. 318 is the midpoint. 318 is the midpoint. And let's connect to the straight line. Let's connect. This is my back. This is my across back. Across back. We understand. We understand. We understand the lines. We understand the lines. We understand the lines. So for our across chest line, for our front shoulder is 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. We'll put it here, 6.5. So our across chest line is 14. 14, that's 7. 14 divided by 2, that's 7. Put it here. Then our front half for the bust is 17.5. 17.5 divided by 2, that's 17.5. 17.5 divided by 2, that's 868. So we'll put our 868 here. 868 on our front bust line with ease of 2/8. Ease of 2/8. Then we'll go to our waist. Our waist will be divided by 4. Our waist is the only thing that does not have front and does not have back, because our waist is round. It does not have any place that is fuller than any place. So we divide our waist by 4. So the waist I'm working with is 24. 24 divided by 4. That will be 24 divided by 4. That will be 6. 6. my waist. So go to my hips. For my hips, I'm going to be working with my front hips and my back hips. So my front hips is 17. So 17 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2. So 17 divided by 2. That's 8 for 8. 8.5. Put your 8.5 here with ease of to 8. Ease of to 8. Did you understand? So now we're going to connect all our lines together. Connect this line together. It's going to be slightly okay, push straight down here, then from here this way. Then your ease to your ease. Ease to your ease. Now we do the same thing for the back. Same thing for the back. Our back shoulder. Back shoulder I'm working with 13. So that's 6.5. The across back I'm working with is across back is 12.5. 12.5. That's 6.5. My back half is 14.5. 14.5 divided by 2. 14.5 divided by 2. That's 7.25. Put your 7.25 here. With ease of to 8. Ease of to 8. Then our waist. Remember our waist is divided by 4 and our waist is 24. That's 6. More ease. Then my back hip. My back hip is 19. 19. That's 9.5. With ease of to 8. Ease of to 8. Now connect my lines together.